Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your BMW X1 hybrid. First, locate the charging port, usually on the front fender. Next, select the appropriate charging cable for your power source. Then, connect the cable securely to both your vehicle and the charging station. Finally, confirm that the charging process has successfully begun, often indicated by a light. Your BMW X1 hybrid's charging port is commonly found on the front fender, often on the driver's side. For standard AC charging, you will typically use a Type 2 charging cable. Many public charging stations provide these cables, but it is always good to have your own. Always consult your vehicle's manual for precise specifications. To begin, open the charging port cover on your BMW X1 hybrid. Take your charging cable and insert it firmly into the vehicle's port until it clicks into place. Then, connect the other end of the cable to the charging station or wall outlet. Look for an indicator light on your dashboard or the port itself to confirm charging has started. You can monitor your BMW X1 hybrid's charging progress through the vehicle's dashboard display or a dedicated mobile app. Charging times will vary depending on the power source, such as a standard home outlet versus a faster public charger. To disconnect, unlock your vehicle, which releases the cable, then firmly pull it out. Remember to close the port cover.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.